Hey everybody, John here with the Up We Fix Carpet. Today we are power stretching carpet. Power stretching is when you stretch the carpet length and width. And what we would like to show you today is what a power stretcher is. This is a power stretcher. I feel like I'm a flight attendant. This is the foot of the power stretcher. That's the head has sharp teeth, and that's the lever. So what we do is the lever, we create tension with this thing so it stretches the carpet. And my biggest point on this video is why we need the rooms empty. As you can see, we have this long pole, we have the board, and so when we have this, if you have a dresser, a bed, a chair, there's really no way to position the power stretcher to stretch your carpet. And so this is why we're emphatic when we say the rooms have got to be empty. Now there are rare occasions that we can remove ripples, buckles, waves, whatever you want to call them, in your carpet without moving furniture. But those are very rare circumstances. And if we do that, we don't warranty the stretching job because, well, we're not doing it the correct way, and it's more or less a touch-up. And so there is a standard to carpet stretching. And as you can see right here, there are ripples in the carpet. So if the ripple was positioned like in a way, like if the ripple was up there, there is a technique that we could remove the ripple by not using a power stretcher, but we could remove that without using it. So anyway, a little tutorial on power stretching and why the room has to be empty. So anyway, John with the Up We Fix Carpet. Have a great day.